Hey there, and welcome to week 76. So it was a pretty good week. I mentioned in my week 75 video that I've been a lot more active with moving. I'm moving from a 3-story townhouse to a 2-story townhouse. So there are a lot of stairs involved. Basically, I've been trying to make sure I never go downstairs empty-handed. So as I'm piling up, stuff on the bottom floor, I'm trying to leave, every time I leave a top floor, bring something down so it's not like a wasted trip. So anyway, it was a pretty good week. I am down from last Friday 1.2 pounds. So that brings my overall total from my highest weight to 112.4 pounds and my weight loss total since surgery to 89.4 pounds. As you may remember, I did hit the 90-pound loss mark a couple weeks ago, and actually more like a couple months ago, like after I was in the hospital, and I'm still trying to get back to that, and we're not too far away. I think probably by the end of this weekend I'll probably be pretty close. I think by next Friday I'll be there, just with everything going on and being active and not being bored, because I'll be doing a lot of unpacking. So this is my last I guess update in this house. Excuse the mess. As you can see, I'm trying to get everything done. That's my comforter that I want to wash before I leave. There's obviously like more important things I need to do, but for some reason I'm like, must wash comforter, which actually is pretty important because the washer and dryer at my new place is smaller. So I don't think I'll be able to wash comforters in there, unfortunately. Anyway, that is about it. I'll make this quick since this is my second video, and this will be your last view at this house. It makes me sad. Trying to get excited about being in a new place. It's change is difficult. This is not groundbreaking news, but I don't know. New scenery, I guess. All right, that's it. I will see y'all next week. Bye. Happy Easter.